Next question. It is about Meghraj. Meg means what? Cloud. Okay, cloud. So though Meg is actually a normal cloud, here the cloud is refers to computer cloud. I mean that is internet cloud. Okay, it is about internet cloud. So Megra sometimes seen in news, which are the following are correct. So the National Informatics Center (NIC), okay, NIC provides national cloud service under the initiative Megraj, which is actually a true statement. Which is actually a true statement. The focus of the initiative is to accelerate delivery of e-services in the country. This is also true. The focus of the initiative is to accelerate the delivery of e-services. That is also true. So we'll see actually. So to utilize, we'll see the explanation here. So to utilize, so the purpose of Megraj is to utilize and harness the benefits of cloud computing. Government of India has embarked upon ambitious initiative, this GI cloud, which has been named as Megraj. Okay, Megraj. It ensures optimum utilization of the infrastructure and speed up the development and deployment of e-GOV applications. Deployment of e-government applications. So the National Informatics Center offered services as follows: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. So all these things NIC will offer. Okay. So the focus of this initiative is to accelerate delivery of e-service in the country while optimizing information and communication technology spending of the government. So both statements are correct. So Government of India is intending to provide cloud-based services through NIC. So by this, all the departments, the government services will be provided through this cloud-based thing. Okay. Next question is 36, which is about debt instruments. Which of the following are debt instruments? So debt instruments is what? Any instrument which can be used to raise debt. Okay, it could be a treasury bill or it could be a debenture. It is not participatory note. Participatory note is not a debt instrument. Treasury bills are what? Their treasury bills are short, but they are short-term debt instruments. That is less than 1 year. Maturity period will be less than 1 year. They are issued by the government, generally central government. Okay, on particular days of a month. So debentures are also debt instruments. There are two types of debentures. One is convertible, non-convertible. Convertible can be converted into shares. Non-convertible cannot be converted into shares. So they have also some in rate of interest will be there. So rate of interest will be there. Okay, treasury bills will be actually less than the face value. They will be given less than the issued at less than the face value. So these two are the debt instruments. Okay, treasury bills are short-term debt instruments that mature within a year. They can be redeemed only at maturity. They are sold at discount if sold before maturity. Participatory notes, you have to know. Participatory are equity instruments, not debt instruments. So equity instruments, that is, they are buying some shares actually, the kind of shares type of. They are investing actually. So they are used by registered foreign portfolio investors to overseas investors who wish to be a part of Indian stock market. So suppose what happens is a particular person wants to invest, okay, to participate in India. Suppose this is India. Okay, he wants to invest in a company called Reliance. Okay, so what happens is he don't want to reveal his identity actually, this person. So then what we'll do is there is a person called foreign portfolio investor. So he is registered under SEBI. So he is registered under SEBI and he can issue a kind of shares on behalf of him to particular other person. This certificate is known as participatory note, P note. So this unknown person X will buy participatory note from this foreign portfolio investor, and he will get that benefits actually. Okay, the profit or losses, so whatever he will enjoy that X person X. But this person X identity cannot be registered with SEBI, so there won't be any information about this P note person who is holding the P note person with SEBI. Only FPI person can be known by SEBI. So this is about participatory note. Okay. So here the answer is only 1 and 3. Answer